Welcome back to Amazing Car, where today we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota Supra, an iconic sports car that's come a long way since its roots. This latest iteration has been eagerly awaited by enthusiasts, combining cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and pure driving pleasure. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Supra maintains the aggressive, aerodynamic lines we've come to love, with a sleek, sculpted body that screams performance. The front end features a bold, low-slung stance, highlighted by a pair of sharp, angular headlights that create an instantly recognizable face. The wide grille not only enhances the Supra's aggressive look but also aids in cooling the engine for those spirited drives. Moving to the back, the rear end of the Supra is just as impressive, with a striking set of taillights that wrap around the car's sides, complementing the overall dynamic design. The dual exhaust tips and a subtle rear spoiler further emphasize its sporty, performance-oriented nature. The design truly balances function and form, ensuring the car not only looks fast but is engineered to perform at the highest level. Inside the cabin, Toyota has seamlessly combined luxury and practicality, creating an environment that enhances your driving experience. The interior is dominated by high-quality materials such as leather and Alcantara, with a minimalistic yet functional layout. The centrally placed infotainment system is intuitive, with an 8.8-inch touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with the car's advanced tech features, providing access to navigation, music, and performance data at your fingertips. The 2025 Supra continues to push the envelope when it comes to performance. Equipped with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, it delivers a heart-pounding 382 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The car is built for precision and agility, offering exceptional handling and an exhilarating driving experience, whether you're tackling tight corners or cruising on the highway. The Supra's adaptive suspension and rear-wheel drive setup provide an unmatched level of control. Toyota has also ensured that the Supra offers modern driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies complement the car's raw performance, ensuring that drivers are not only getting a thrilling ride but also peace of mind when needed. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2025 Supra is a true masterpiece. Its lightweight construction and near-perfect weight distribution allow for superior balance, allowing you to push the car to its limits with confidence. The precise steering feedback makes every corner feel rewarding, and the sports-tuned suspension keeps the car planted, even at high speeds. The history of the Supra is important to consider when discussing the 2025 model. The name Supra has long been synonymous with performance, dating back to the 1980s, from its early days in motorsport to its rise in pop culture, including starring in the Fast and Furious franchise. The Supra has cemented itself as an icon. The 2025 model proudly carries on this legacy while incorporating modern design and technology to appeal to today's enthusiasts. As we conclude, the 2025 Toyota Supra is a perfect blend of history, performance, and cutting-edge features. Its design is a testament to Toyota's commitment to excellence, and the driving experience is nothing short of thrilling. Whether you're a Supra fan from the past or a newcomer to the brand, this car is ready to make a lasting impression. Thanks for watching Amazing Car. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest cars. See you next time.